Hey guys, I just want to make this like very quick video for you about the Dyson V16 piston animal cordless vacuum. Like what kind of thing you can actually expect if you want to buy, the reasons why you shouldn't. So yes, it got great dust compaction system, quick release mechanism, intelligent auto mode, excellent battery life, powerful motor like 140,000 RPM, which is like insane. Also, it got great premium build quality, real-time practical display, so that's good. But the poor edge cleaning. Front of the floor head is pointed, not straight, making wall edges difficult to clean. So this is something to be aware of. As you can see, do you see that? Do you have like pointed? Weaker cleaning performance. So the performance is a little bit worse comparing to like V15 decked. Be aware of it. A gap between rollers. So unswept path in the middle where nothing gets picked up. Also, shrouds clog frequently. Also, the higher price is something you have to be aware of. So it's kind of like expensive if you want to like acquire it. No carbon filter filaments, so only fluffy bristles for hard floor cleaning, another important thing. And requires 2 hands for quick cleanups. So the button operation means 1 hand to switch on or 1 to hold. You know, this is like another very important thing. So yeah, it's a good product. Just like be aware of the cons, and primarily the most important thing is the edge cleaning, because the front of the floor head is like pointed, and this is something you have to just be aware of. So thank you very much guys for watching. Just want to make this like quick to the point for you, and have a great day and goodbye.